The crypto stage Ankr incorporates a few instruments that make it simpler to get to the decentralized web. Clients of Ankr approach application programming connection point, programming interface, endpoints, consent committed validator and designer hubs, stake on Ethereum 2.0, ETH2, and Binance Shroud Chain, BSM, and there are plans for additional combinations. By offering pre-assembled foundation that meets the different necessities of Web3 partners, the Ankr stage actually eliminates section hindrances. Ankr's, Ankr, figures are vague. As to increments or diminishes in the cost of Ankr, there is no broad arrangement. To be sure, various elements, including declarations, new mechanical advancements made by the Ankr projects, the generally crypto climate, legitimate status, and others, will impact the expected development later on. We might want to benevolently remind you to lead your examination prior to making any digital currency ventures. What is Ankr? Ankr is a stage for cross-chain decentralized finance, DeFi, and Web3 foundation that offers straightforward, open, and savvy answers for facilitating blockchain hubs. Because of Ankr's utilization of unused computational assets in server farms, clients can use blockchain hubs for less cash than public cloud suppliers. The system can be utilized to convey undertaking arrangements like advanced money trades, information investigation, and marking stages, as well as engineer APIs, marking hubs, and marking stages. A few blockchains are open through the Ankr Convention Commercial Center, and the Ankr stage works with more than 40 blockchain conventions to stake at and for improvement. Many individuals feel that working in organization for a POS blockchain is an engaging method for bringing in cash. In any case, significant equipment consumptions and specialized mastery are often viewed as obstructions to getting everything rolling. The utility token for the Ankr stage is Ankr. The Ethereum, as well as BNB Brilliant Chain both, support the utilization of Ankr, a BEP20, and an ERC20 token. The Ankr token is fundamental for the Ankr Convention's decentralized foundation commercial center. Subsequently, inside the Ankr organization, Ankr can be utilized as an administration token as well as a utility token. All Ankr items acknowledge Ankr's installment, which is a fundamental part of Ankr Convention for members, providers, and partners. The accompanying digital currencies are presently upheld for marking by Ankr, Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, BNB Shroud Chain, BNB, Torrential Slide, AVAX, Polkadot, DAB, and Kasama, KSM. Ankr likewise offers a smoothed-out validator experience for a month-to-month charge, which you can use to work Ethereum 2.0 hubs. How does Ankr function? Ankr was planned and created in light of the vision of another web that depends on conveyed record innovation, with applications, conventions, and frameworks that are decentralized, more private, and secure for clients. The fundamental thought is to eliminate the requirement for focal specialists and go-betweens, giving the possession and command over information and applications to clients and organization members. Chandler Toon and Ryan Tooth established Ankr in 2017, and the mainnet sent off in 2019. It gives a bunch of Web3, otherwise called Web 3.0, applications that permit engineers, projects, and clients to get to the framework of different blockchains through a solitary decentralized stage. Anybody can add to its convention and get prizes for satisfying solicitations to worldwide blockchains. Also, designers can pay to utilize the Ankr Convention's decentralized hub foundation to set up and deal with their own hubs. Ankr permits clients to deal with the most common way of marking or becoming validators across various blockchains. In the Ankr organization, the Verification of Helpful Work Agreement, POUW, convention is utilized to accomplish high security guidelines while utilizing little energy. The above diagram portrays that Ankr has been moving in three sorts of cost ranges for the past 4 months. From May to June, the cost stayed in the scope of $0.03530 and $0.041154. From that point onward, it declined, and the cost range likewise dropped to $0.02501 and $0.03530 from mid-June to mid-August. The cost has gotten back to its past reach subsequent to rising enormously in mid-August. The specialized marker RSI is showing a worth above mid-level 50, meaning the cost isn't overbought or oversold. Notwithstanding, the RSI line is moving potential gain as its edge likewise focuses to the potential gain. It is expanding to show that the cost. Affirming this sign is the DMI, where the plus D.I line, blue, is higher than the ADX line, red, and DI line, orange. Both the pointers, DMI and RSI, affirm the bullish situation ahead. Significance: there are chances that the cost of Ankr will keep on ascending for additional days in the momentary future. It implies it very well may be a great chance to purchase the computerized resource temporarily. Ankr price expectation for 2022. Significant help comes from the anticipated least cost of $0.0475 for the ongoing year. Ankr's cost is supposed to increment to $0.053 toward the finish of 2022, as per a 5-year cost conjecture. Business specialists' expectations for the Ankr cost demonstrate that the cryptographic money will go through a downtrend in 2022, with a typical estimate cost of around $0.0526. Toward the finish of 2022, the Ankr cost might increment to 6 cents. As per examination, the descending pattern might go on until 2023. Ankr price expectation for 2023. The token expects another development in 2023, with Ankr determining a reasonable cost of $0.053. Putting resources into Ankr will be less complex by 2024 thanks to the far-reaching market reception of Ankr. Thusly, in light of Ankr's forecasts, the greatest cost could happen in 2023 at $0.060. Ankr price expectation for 2024. Ankr figures in view of the logarithmic outline demonstrating the cost of Ankr will reach to $0.070 levels in 2024 are supposed to increment in esteem with any further cost transcend the $0.046 level, having the capacity to a significant break. Ankr price expectation for 2025. Ankr will start exchanging the top digital currency trades if the in general crypto market displays bullish signs for digital currencies. Ankr's interest will develop, so as indicated by long-haul outlines of cost expectations, it will ultimately arrive at a typical cost of 8 cents. Considering that these cost conjectures are positive for Ankr, financial backers are shifting focus over to Ankr as one of their